Anthony Hunkler here with Magne Shade, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly fold your Easy Fold tire shade. So the two ways to fold your tire shade are pretty simple, and we're going to break those down for you. Number one, grab the tire shade with your hands in the 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock position, and what we're going to achieve is a figure eight. So simply grab the tire shade, just like how I have it here, twist it into a figure eight, and that's created two different circles. You see that? Two circles. From those two circles, we're going to get a third one. And the way that we do that is by taking my left hand and bringing it over to my right hand. And I'm going to show you at this angle. So 10 and 2, figure eight, bring this over, and that creates the third circle on the bottom. From there, simply pull that up, go around the perimeter to adjust it, then 4 of these will fit in one bag and you're ready to roll. If twisting the shade into a figure eight proves to be a little bit too difficult, or maybe you're starting to twist the shade in a way that you feel is uncomfortable, go ahead and stop and do it this way, and that's going to be the taco fold. What we're going to do is simply take the shade. I'm looking at the back side of the shade. I'm going to locate the two D-rings that correspond with each other or are across from each other and use them as a referencing point to fold this in half. So now that I have this folded like a taco and my right knee propping up the bottom of the shade, I'm simply going to pull this in. Now you'll note that my thumb has this layer of fabric underneath this layer. And that's important because when we go to collapse the shade into 3 different circles, we want them all to be nice and tight and collapse on top of each other, and this allows us to do that. So once again, we take it into a taco fold, start to fold it here again, and you can see the steel frame beginning to take the shape of a circle. From there, I'm going to release the thumb and allow all those circles to collapse on top of each other. Once you have those circles folded on top of each other, go around the perimeter and make sure it's nice and neat. From there, you can throw it in the storage bag. You're ready to go. If you have any questions about this, give us a call, but I hope that this helps you out in getting your tire shades folded and ready to hit the road.